They're going to get their wish, Aaron, with that snow coming.
Yeah, we do have several rounds of some snowfall pushing back through south central into the weekend, which is going to lead to several inches of snow accumulation. We've got multiple first alert weather days across the state, more so for southeast and south central. Snow becoming rain for the panhandle. That's going to lead to a major flooding possible risk, as well as some landslide concerns and high avalanche danger. As that snow level will rise in the atmosphere, we'll still see several rounds of that heavy snowfall that will build into some of those higher elevations. Meanwhile, across south central into the weekend, we've got some heavy snow likely, gusts up to 50 miles per hour, reduced visibility, and we're also watching, we could see up to, if not more than a foot of snowfall across parts of south central. So things are fairly quiet this morning across the region for at least south central, but you can already begin to see some rain out towards the panhandle, as well as some rain snow mix. There's our area of low pressure. Notice a ridge to the south, and then we've got another ridge as you head out towards the Pacific Northwest. Now, embedded within this is our atmospheric river. And this is where we're pulling in all of that warmth and all of that moisture. So we'll see that snow level as well as that rain snow line beginning to lift north as we welcome in the remainder of today on into the weekend. And that's going to lead to that avalanche and landslide risk, as well as some flooding concerns and high winds for parts of the southern panhandle. We've got winds expected to gust upwards of 60 miles per hour. You can already see temperatures this morning warming into the 40s through the south, while locations to the north are still seeing those temperatures in the teens, 20s, and sitting near freezing. So we are going to see areas from Haines, Gluckwan, out towards Skagway, holding on to that snowfall potential likely into tomorrow before we begin to see that transition for you. And that's why there is a winter storm warning for extreme northern parts of the panhandle, where we could see up to 17 inches of snowfall. Winter weather advisory through this morning, as you can see from Sitka out towards Juneau, with an additional 1 to 3 inches of snowfall expected. Flood watch encompassing most of southeast due to that flooding potential, as well as those high winds to the south, where we could see gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So this morning, you can see that freezing line already to the south, but it's lifting to the north. Now, Juneau, you'll see that transition sometime between the hours of 1 and 3 p.m. today, where you'll see that transition from snow to rain. And rain falling upon snow will lead to very icy conditions, and as snow melt and rain will lead to additional impacts of that flooding. But notice out towards Haines, Skagway, Gluckwan, this is where we're going to continue to hold on to that snowfall potential through today before that transition looks possible into the day tomorrow. Now, we'll see some dry time tonight before more rounds of rain build back in as we welcome in your Saturday on into Sunday. So we are first alerting you to all of these widespread impacts to be expected across southeast, and take the necessary precautions when it comes to protecting your property as well as your life. Notice the amount of rain that we could see, particularly for areas south of Juneau, where we're primarily going to see all rain. There is that potential. We could see up to 3+ inches of rain accumulation. So we are first alerting today and tomorrow across southeast for that flood potential. You can see into next week, looking likely that we'll continue to hold on to more of that widespread rain with localized areas